Hello everyone, welcome to Butterfly to Fields Tinkle series. And today we are going to do an activity from the chemical crafts kit, right? So what is the common thing between a firefly and the star? That's right, they both can glow in the dark, right? That's why they fascinate us. So what if I tell you that I can make a slime that can glow in the dark? Wouldn't that be fascinating too? So let's start making it. So here is my workstation which is ready, and I am going to take few materials out of it, but safety first. So I am going to need a beaker, petri dish, borax powder, glow in dark powder, clear glue, a spatula, we need 2 droppers, alright, and a stirrer. So first I'll take a petri dish and add 6 ml of clear glue to it. So this is 3 ml. So I'm going to take clear glue one more time to make it 6 ml. Now to this I will add 3 ml of warm water. Use a stirrer to mix it thoroughly, the glue and water. And I am going to keep this aside while I prepare my next solution. So for that I would be requiring a beaker, and to this I will add 1 teaspoon of borax. To this I'll add 3 ml of normal water, and I'll give it a good mix now so that there are no lumps formed. Next I'm going to empty the contents of the petri dish into the beaker. So once this is done, I am going to mix it properly. So I think you can see the slime is almost ready. So once this is done, I am going to mix it properly. So I think you can see the slime is almost ready. So I have transferred the contents of the beaker to the petri dish. Now I am going to add some glow in dark powder into this. So add a 1 teaspoon of glow in dark powder. And mix it thoroughly with your hand. So your slime is ready once it starts behaving like this. It comes down slowly, right? So now you can play with it. So now let's turn the lights off and see the magic. So if you are bored with the white color of this, what you can do is you can add your own color. You can use the food colors, or you can also use few watercolors if you like. Do not stop tinkering, alright? And if you want to store this, always use a closed container, alright? So otherwise it will dry out by the next day. Thank you.